Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the payment methods in the Bolt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines on the top of the page on the left, and then click on payment. And as you can see, you can choose from three main payment methods. That is Apple Pay in the case of iPhones, your credit card, and you can also pay in cash at the drivers. And there's also this payment method called the Bolt Balance, which means you have to put money onto this application from your credit card, and then when you order a cab the next time, you don't have to use your card or Apple Pay, you can just use your Bolt Balance. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.